Hello friends, good afternoon all of you, and let's try to just get back to the class. So where we people are going to be work on our oral communication. So I expect that all students, you people have joined the session, and soon we people will just continue with the activity that we people have just decided last time. So based on that, we are going to conduct debate, and for the same, I deliberately posted the topics late so that I don't know exactly whether you got the sufficient time or that was not sufficient time, because I wanted to give it on the spot. But let's say that out of those 5 topics, now you people come with topics. Now choice will be yours. The people suggest me topic, and then we people will take discussion on that topic, or we will get divided into 2 groups, and then we'll start the debate. So I hope that all you people are able to see the topics which have been displayed to you. So nuclear weapons should be banned across the globe. There should be no homework in the schools. Okay. Plastic should be banned. The government school versus private school. All should be vegetarian. So these are the some of the topics that we people have just taken it. So let me know if you people are able to come with one topic for discussion today. So let me know whether you are comfortable with this. So every topic has 2 sides. So there should be one particular group who will be in support of this nuclear weapons should be there, and there could be number of reasons for it. And another group who will be talking about nuclear weapons should be banned, and what are the disastrous effects of nuclear weapons. If you go for second topic, there should be no homework in the school. One group will talk about there should be homework, and because of homework, what happens. And if there is no homework, in that case, what happens. If you go at number 3, then we people can think about plastic should be banned. All we people know the utility of plastic has increased, though it is banned. Even then also, the people can take 2 sides. If it is banned, then what? If it is used, then what? The next is government school versus private school. Okay, so here you people can talk about lots of content you people will get. Those who people can think of government school, and those people who are going to talk in favor of private school. And last one was all should be vegetarian. So here those people who support vegetarian food, they can go with it, and those who are supporting with non-vegetarian food, they will support that side. So these are the simple topics I have chosen. Out of that, which topic we should go with for today's discussion? Should it be government school, private school? I got response. So let me check the suitability of the topic of this government school versus private school. Or all should be vegetarian. Out of these 2 topics now.
Government school and private school.
Government school, private school. Okay, all right. So we'll just think of the majority. So those people who support this topic can raise hand. Government school versus private school. Raise your hands. Okay, and let's say 4 people support here, and those who are in favor of this topic. Now you can lower your hand, all of you. Okay, all right. So here we will go with this majority, government school versus private school. Maybe next time we'll take this one. All should be vegetarian. All right. So right now it is 42, 3:42. We'll begin sharp at 3:45. Still you are getting 3 more minutes to be ready for it. So let me know whether we are going to have discussion or debate. What will people have decided last time? Group discussion or debate? If it is debate, we need to get divided into 2 groups. That's why I'm asking. If it is discussion, all people can participate. Okay, we'll conduct it as group discussion. Those who are in favor of government school can talk about government school. So you people have to think about pros and cons, advantages, disadvantages, plus, minus, something like this. So remaining topics we will cover in next upcoming sessions. Okay, so all you just be clear with this. So meanwhile, all of you ensure that you people are going to be very expressive here. Your participation matters. So initially, right now, how much uh, intelligent remarks you're making, that does not matter. But if you're participating in this discussion, that will definitely matter. So nobody should think here that only few students are participating. 100 minimum 100 students will people get connected for this session and only few students react. That is not fair. In fact, everybody should think that I wanted to improve my communication. So how it will improve? If I participate here, if I say something, in that case only I will improve. If I'm not going to say something, if I'm going to keep quiet, if I'm not going to unmute myself and speak, in that case I may understand what other people are saying, but I may not be able to speak it orally. Okay, so therefore all you people try to take part, try to say something, try to speak English. That will help you. All right, so I think that now it's 3:45 sharp, and maybe you people got almost 1 hour, not 1 hour I can say, but a little bit extra time to think of the topics, and we should go with this government school versus private school. So let's start the discussion. Who will start? Who can take the lead and introduce this topic to all the people? I think that you people are not ready. Is it like this? Because nobody feels confident that I should say something, I should start the discussion. Okay, what happened? Let me know if you are going to start it, if you are going to have discussion or not. Meanwhile, let me ask if anybody is ready with individual presentation. We can go with that also in the beginning. Is there anyone who will speak individually about any topic? So something should be replied. It should not be that all people are keeping quiet and nobody is saying something. Should we go with discussion? Should not go. We are ready. We are not ready. We are prepared. We should go for presentations, or you don't want anything today, or can be quiz or something like this.
Sir, shall I start?
Yes, Shraddha, you can start.
Sir, I am going to do debate.
Okay, in case of a debate, in fact, we require 2 groups, okay? And in that 2 groups, we wanted to just specify people. So these are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 students in one group and 3, 4, 5 students in another group like this. So should we make groups or should we discuss it generally?
Make group, sir.
Okay, so first of all, let's see, students, how many students are going to participate on this topic? You people raise your hands, accordingly we'll get divided in 2 groups. Okay, 5 students are going to participate here. So out of that 5, first of all, we'll go for government schools. Okay. So in favor of government school, we want 5 students. So let's see that I will write down Yash, Kaulwar, Shubham, Nikita, Saurabh, Sanskruti, again Prasad, Saifa. These will be in favor of government school. Now you people have to lower your hand and let's talk about private school. All of you just lower your hands and let's try to see how many people are there for private schools. Shraddha, for private schools. Then Preeti, Nilesh, Rutuja, Ritesh, okay, so anyone additionally, because we need to make groups of equal strength. It should not be like that. There are some people who are already maybe supporting government school, and in private school there is no people who are strongly support like this. So equal balance we want here. So 1 or 2 more candidates we require for private. So remaining students, just raise your hand for private. Krishna, okay. Krishna and Shambhuraj. Okay, fine. All right. So here we are having these 2 groups. You can now lower your hands and let's try to be very clear. Discussion and debate, they are 2 different things. Okay, we people need to understand the difference. In discussion, you people can express freely about whatever your opinion is about this topic. But in debate, if you're from private school, you people have to just ensure that how you're going to talk about good things, advantages of private school, and how it is better than government school. Okay. And if you're from government school, that opposite you people have to remember how you're going to talk in favor of government school, how they are useful, how they are advantageous, and how private schools are having the problems or disadvantages for something like this. Here we are going to discuss it in very free and frankly way. We are not going to hurt anybody's feelings, we are not going to insult anybody, and additionally we are all in same class and we are all for learning. Purpose is to just work on our oral communication, develop our oral communication, and for that point we people keep in our mind while discussion. Okay. So in debate also, you people have to just first of all introduce the topic. Again, once you're introducing the topic, you start with giving importance of your side, maybe government or private, and you have to relate with each and every point. For example, from government school, if somebody has said these are the advantages of government school, on the other hand private school may say that may be the case, but you point out some drawback from government school and you are going to put your point from private school or advantages of private school, something like this. Don't discuss it separately. You have to relate with each and every with each other's opinion, what he said, what she said. Based on that only you people are going to express your opinion. It should not be that government school they are telling advantages one by one, private school are telling advantages one by one. That is not a debate. Okay, you are going to relate with each other's opinion and you are going to defend your side, whatever it may be, private or government school. All right, so who will begin now? Okay, Shraddha, you begin. Let's see.
Good afternoon, everyone. We are going to do the debate on government school versus private school. I agree to private school. Private school are definitely better than government school as they would provide better infrastructure, better teacher to student ratio, have a clean and hygienic facility, provide better environment for students with option of personality development and extracurricular activities.
Hello, sir.
Yes, Shubham.
Yes, sir. According to me, the government schools play significant role in the education of child because private schools offer quality education to those only those students who can pay their fees. Of and the government school do not if you wanted to learn in government school, you do not need any fees. So
No, in every government college there is no like this. There will be in government college. If we have not get admission, then they take the fees to get admission in that college or school. So it is not agree.
You can't say the
I agree
government
with
school
you.
is not.
Either of you say something.
In my opinion, government schools are much better than private schools because private schools give admissions to the students on the basis of their economical conditions and not on the basis of low fees or uh, concession on the fees.
But I think everyone has right to learn.
Yes, sir. Government school is open for all students, although it belongs to which class, middle class or high class, but it provides the facilities like free education to all till 8th standard, or education for girls child. And teachers in the government school have teachers that take efforts to preparation of students and their for their bright future also, even if they got a low salary as capable to the private school. In these private schools there is a more it gives more preference for advertisement and show off than education.
And sir,
Shifa,
also, and sir,
government
also,
government
we
school
talk.
has a government school has a more fees than private school teachers.
Yes, sir, that's right. But we choose that government for a private school has infrastructure. But in Delhi, government school has also infrastructure. They are very modern school in Delhi, and 80% people in Delhi are way to get admission in government school.
Yes, I agree with Yash, because people talking in favor of private schools are saying that they provides very basic or very developed infrastructure, quality education, etc., etc. But talking about government college that they haven't all those facilities, it should be a lack of knowledge about government college, I will say. Yes, also Yes,
It is
Yash
not.
also mentioned government colleges in Delhi, because Delhi's government very finely and very economically maintained the government schools also in the Delhi, and they also provides best facilities as compared to private school, or on the level of private school, I would say.
We can't say the government school are not good because the government has a very good plan related about the education, but there is a lack of the implementation of the plans.
But now
And sir,
that
it is
are
not like
recovered,
that.
but that are covered in present days.
Sir, it is not like that. Government school has have good infrastructure nowadays. Government school also have good infrastructure. And suppose you want to take admission in private college, then you want to that category, and private if you go in private school, they take the admission as per their category. But suppose I have my economical condition very bad, so I can't take admission in private college.
Yes, sir.
In
In
private
case
school,
of India, many family comes from the middle class background. They cannot afford private school. In government school, it provide free education, books, and uniform. But in private school, it pay more amount of money. So government school is better than private school.
And sir, also sir, government school provides scholarship to their students.
Even private school also provided.
Also,
Sir,
private schools take their own competitions in their campus so that student can develop very well.
private
nowadays
schools.
in government school also,
Yes, sir.
And I
Nowadays
think
government
the
schools
education important in the private school are more audiovisual nowadays.
just audiovisual
or
education is
technique.
If
So there are
government school are not
very much facilities such as libraries, drinking water, modern equipments like this. We only see that equipments in private school.
Also, government school are not well developed in the rural areas, while the uh, private schools are well developed in the rural areas, and they can provide the best expertise facilities available for the students, and which can be used to in better learning. And
Nowadays, when we scan QR code, then we get information about that topic. This technique comes from government school, not in private school.
but also this technique provides us more confusion towards the students, which may confuse students and get confused. But in the private schools, there are many in library. There are many books available for students where students can read and learn the techniques or the concept.
If we take more books and get more concept, then we confuse. But when we scan QR and we get confirmed information about that topic, then we not confused about that concept.
And sir, private schools are give international level education.
Private schools have proper management.
So government school don't have their freedom to develop their infrastructure by their own. They have to take permission from government. Then government will issue funds. Then corruption is there. A lot of issues are in front of government schools. Sir.
Yes, sir.
But for better education, in only infrastructure is not needed. We need good teachers also. But in government school, there are good teachers. And in private, there are only good infrastructure.
But sir, nowadays,
But
good
sir,
infrastructure
private schools
also we
are-
have to see in government school.
So cases have recorded for the corruption in government school funding. Sir.
Yes, I agree that there are so many questions are around on the government schools on quality education, on quality facilities they provide, also time to time. But running away from that, there will be no solution. There will no good solution be.
Sir, I want to ask one question. If government school are not good, then why so many students trying so hard to get the admission in the medical government college?
There is different case between government school and government college.
Government college.
Government college is.
But
But
the
it is
We
average
take
also
only
under the
government
government.
school. Here we take only government school.
Yes, sir. If you want to admission in MBBS or in engineering college, then we give our first step preference to government college, not private college.
It is topic of school, not college.
But here we are talking about schools, not a college.
And one more thing is to not only about students in private schools, for teachers also there are so many money they have to give to the that body of private college to teach there. And in government school there is a very simple or very, I will say, very constitutional way to reach out there, and according to their merits, according to their knowledge, and interview taken by the panel, they uh, include them, recruit
They
them.
select that student.
Most of the IS and collectors are from government school.
In government school, they choose those students who are in merit, but in private school,
And
government
in
schools are
private school there is a management quota where they literally bidding for the seats, and who the parents who own the bid by their lots of paying lots of money, they give the seats to their sons or their children. That's not fair.
government schools were made workers and private schools made businessmen.
it's
According to
fully wrong.
there are
Government
many
school,
Yes, sir. I agree with him.
there are many private schools which take first the interview, and there are many private schools which take the merit first and then select the student. And about the managed quota, the managed quota for the development of the private school, which they can use for their development.
Yeah, I am agree with.
Overall development is not very well offered by the government school. There is lack of playgrounds for the government school. Even some schools don't have their own place for the school also.
But that
Management
money
quota
comes,
is
but that money
provide
comes
a
from
basic
parents, not
support facility in free
There
of
is
management quota is
there
not
is
only
not
for
like that.
private school, it is also related to government school. It
There is not like that. Government school teachers are of low quality. For example, Ranjit Disle sir, who got international award, are of government school teacher, and they significantly transformed the education system through the barcode which are used nowadays in our life.
Yes,
But
and
their
not
numbers
that
in
like
1%.
government. Now government schools are made worker, not government school also made IAS officer and IPS also.
one point also I would like to raise here is bidding for a seat is attacks on the basics of education. There is more chance to being there some unfair things. There is more chance.
Yes, but it is also not fair that you are of a particular caste, then you will get the admissions in the government college, or you will take in the private college. It is also not fair.
No, that never
Government.
be a point of discussion because you are raising question on Constitution of India.
So last 1 minute is there. We are moving towards the conclusion. So it will be better if we conclude this.
Private
That's
school
because
provides all facilities to students and make them lazy. But in government school, the students are hardworking.
I would like to
Personal
raise one
attention to
point.
every
In
student is only provided in private schools. Government school don't care if the student is present or absent.
I would
And
like to raise one point.
private schools provide communication skills from childhood onwards. If you talk about English speaking is another requirement in nowadays. So English is a dominating language. So they they teaching from since from private schools.
The
In
private
government school,
institutions are
self-study
better.
hobby is more effective.
The private institutions are better in their approach towards the uh, psychological and other development of the children's.
Okay, time is up. Time is up. So conclude. So we want conclusion here. So this time people from government side should conclude. Those who are in favor of government school, they should conclude this.
Government colleges are more or less governed by the government and paid off also. And private colleges are governed by their private bodies and paid by the students' fees. Government college, there are so many questions raised time to time on the government college, on their quality education, on their infrastructure and basic healthcare facilities they provide. But nowadays the government also working on that. But in this point, the private colleges are, I will say, they are on top in this, providing those facilities. But in my opinion, we go in in the school or college to acquire knowledge, and there should be our first priority to the education quality and not others. These are also important things, like of health of a student, but most important thing is education that we acquired from the school or college. That's all.
Okay, all right. Here we people will just finish all those things here. So almost 15, more than 15 minutes, we people have been discussing about this topic, government school versus private school, and all of you have participated here very nicely. Everyone is trying to say that how it is, their particular side is okay about the topics that you people have chosen. A little or a suggestion only I will say that you have to just relate with each other's points. So what Yash said, I oppose your opinion, or that is not true, why what my opponent said. So I would like to add here. So these are the some of the phrases that you people need to add. You should not be just raising only separate points. So someone is saying that about government school, and again someone is saying about private school, which is not having any logical relation or logical sequence of saying something. So everything should be related with each other. What first of all Shraddha say, related to that another person has to say that that is not true or that is true. But on the other hand, these are the some of the phrases that we people need to add, and we need to connect all these points with each other. That is the only suggestion. Apart from that, I would like to say that it was nice attempt that everybody tried at their level best, and it was nice kind of discussion. Another important aspect that was of interruption. So what happened that a lot many times people wanted to speak. So 2, 3, 4, 5 students wanted to speak at the same time, and there was interruption. So in such case, you people have to try to get the opportunity by continuing your point, or sometimes you can just retreat and let other people speak, and then you just continue with your point. That also can be done. I think that this is problem of online debate. If you would have personally, in that case, mutually we people understand the body language of each other, and accordingly sometimes we just manage it. So here online we are not able to see who is about to speak, and suddenly 2 or 3 people start speaking. So that is not a big issue here also. Apart from that, as said, some people did not participate. So Krishna said there is some mic issue from his side. Shambhuraj, I think that you have not participated here. Equal sides, I can say equal kind of energy from both sides, private and government. Additionally, I have seen Vaishnavi, Praveen, and Atharv, these people also participated additionally. So that is also fine thing. So it was not restricted for these groups only. If you would have added here, that is again fine. So a little bit specifically Yash was trying again, that everyone in fact that they were trying their best, and it was nice interaction. I think that Saipa, you participated very less, and you should have just added more points also. Here Ritesh, Rutuja, you people participated very less. Instead of sending something into chat box, Nikita, it will be better that if we just try to unmute and speak, because in debate or in discussions, you people, what you write, that is not important, but how you're saying it, how you're expressing. Another thing is convincing is there. So or being polite is there. So these are some of the aspects of debate that we people are going to consider here. So overall, it was nice, but still there is scope for improvement. So I hope that we people can take care. Minor mistakes of grammar are there, but it's okay. Sometimes you're not clear. I think that in case of Prasad, you're trying to speak it in a better way. Your attempts to continue, sometimes that we could not complete the sentence, and later on we people get some thought or words, and then we continue. That is also nice, but the practice is required. I think that with practice, where people can bring a little bit fluency. Right now, the problem is of fluency only. We are trying to say, but a little bit fluency we can bring with practice. So that's all from my side. Everybody, just I appreciate all of you for taking part in this session. So if you have any
Sir,
questions,
give
yes.
example of conclusion. how I can conclude that session?
Yes, in case of conclusion, okay. So here I would like to tell you, so if you are about to conclude this session, so you people have to say, well, friends, now it is time to conclude this session. So I would like to conclude this topic by saying that though government school or private school, both of them are having their own plus points and some minus points, but depending upon the opportunity, we people should enroll ourselves for the school. Important is school. It is not whether government or private, but if we are getting education, or education is important here. So depending upon the atmosphere and the opportunities that we people are going, we people should get the education. So both schools, government schools and private schools are important. But if we eliminate minor or some of the issues with each of both of them, like you just take few points from the discussion, whatever the earlier discussion about government schools, there is no much infrastructure. About private school, there is a lot of fee. So these are the 1-2 advantages that you pick up from the discussion that already people have mentioned, and mentioned that both things are there, and it should not be only government schools should be followed, or it is not only all private schools be there, but there should be a balance of private school and government school like this.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Okay, yes, nice, Shubham. Again, I think that a lot of other things you people can find it out. I think that on, if you search on the Google or YouTube, you will come to know that everything, what is debate, how to participate, how to introduce, how to conclude, what to say, that you people will get more insights, because here just first we people experience this, and if it is your first debate, that's okay, that is no issue. But with this we will just try to be more familiar. We should be in such position that yes, I can participate, I can say something, I can oppose opinion. Here debate means totally opposition. So private schools, it means that you people are going to say drawbacks of private school only, those who are in government school, and those who are about government school, they're going to point out lot many problems and disadvantages and drawbacks of government school only, like this only. So you people have to just come like this only. So try to find out more points also about how things are, whatever the site that you people are going to choose, how you can present it in a better way. If you're from private school, try to present private school in such a way that people will show, or they should feel like these private schools are really good for taking education. Or if you're from government school, you just try to focus on how government schools are better these days. So I think that another confusion was about school and college. That is also very important. Try to be very clear with the topic. So nobody should, I think that many were considering college also, but that will be a wrong way if you are considering college here, because school and college, lots of difference between government colleges and private colleges, government school and private school, lot of differences there. So we need to stick to the topic also. So school is here, so it means that you people have to talk about school only. So that is another point that I would like to tell you people. Many people were mistaken it with college also. So next time we can just try to relate to the topic only, which is given.
Improve ourselves.
Yes, yes, yes. All right, any other questions? Okay, Shubham. No, topic is only telling about the topic. Good morning, friends. Today we are going to have debate on this topic, and then you can begin from your side. The introduction of topic is not in the sense that in GD we people introduce the topic. Those who are going to start, for example, today Shraddha started. So like this only. It should not be you're abruptly beginning with government school. Like this, Shubham. Okay, any other questions, points? If not, then we'll go for attendance. Individual presentation, nobody prepared this time, because I think that we should prepare 1, 2, 3 candidates can prepare individual presentations also. Okay, difference between two word and two words. I don't find much difference between two word and two words. So two words indicates the direction. Okay. Both means same. If it is that minute level, I have to also find, because I'm not going that much about deep in toward and towards. Maybe I will search and I will tell you, Nikita. So let's go for attendance. Right now, almost 95 students are connected. So from division A, first of all, roll number 1, 2, 3. 3 absent. So Nikita, you did not participate today. Nikita Jagtap. Yes.
Actually, I was in bank, sir, so I was unable to mute my.
Okay, all right, no issue. Someone was
Sir,
saying, yes, Prasad.
Sir, if someone is talking about drawbacks of our point that we have chosen, that we have what we have to done, that we have to oppose him, or we have to tell some good points or strong points of our subject we have chosen.
Okay, yes, right. Good question. So suppose that you're from private school and government school person is saying that in private school there is heavy fees or a lot of fees there which is not affordable. So someone is saying like this. So here, if you think that this is the point that you can defend, you can accept it. Yes, private schools there are more fees, but we people need to understand that because of that much fees, students are able to get a lot of infrastructure activities, projects. So try to explain, try to justify because of that lot of fees, what are the advantages that private school students are getting, like this only. So first of all, try to defend. You should be ready with some answers. It should not, you should not accept that yes, I agree here that private schools are charging very much fees and charging very much fees is not okay. So that kind of surrender should not be from your side. You try to defend, try to tell, try to explain, try to justify from your side, try to defend it simply.
Yes, sir. That means we have to balance both pros and cons in our answer.
Yes. Nikita, to do so means something that you would like to do in a sentence. For example, there is a question from Nikita Jagtap, use of to do so in sentence. You have to fill, for example, exam form. This is one sentence. Okay, so you can begin like this also. To do so, you have to fill your pending fees. So here, first thing that you are going to fill your exam form. To do so refers to fill exam form like this, Nikita. So here you can put here. Yes. Yes, Prithviraj.
You have to appear exams. To do so, you have to fill your pending fees. How it will be?
Yes, yes, that will be also okay. So come to the attendance and let's start. So I was talking about division A, 3 absent, 4, 5, 6 absent, then 7, 8 absent, then 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 absent, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23 absent, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31 absent, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39 absent, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44 absent, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49 absent, 50, 51, 52 absent, 53, 54, 55 absent, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60 absent, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69 and 70 absent. So from division A, absent numbers are 3, 6, 8, 15, 23, 31, 39, 44, 49, 52, 55, 58, 59, 60, 69 and 70. They are absent. If anybody present, just let me know from division A. Okay, from division B, we will go now with roll number 1 absent, 2, 3 absent, 4, 5, 6 absent, 7, 8, 9 absent, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17 absent, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23 absent, 24, 25, 26, 27 absent, 28, 29, 30 absent. Then 31, 32 absent. 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39 absent. Then 39 is present, sorry, 39 is present. Then 40 to 44 present, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44 absent, 45, 46 absent, 47, 48 absent, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53 absent, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58 absent, 59, 60 absent, 61, 62, 63 absent, 64, 65, 66 absent, 67, 68, and 69 absent. So from Division A, Mahesh Patil, if someone knows Mahesh Patil, call him and tell him that his attendance is marked absent because he's not connected with audio. Same with Shreyash Dulrao from Division B, roll number 40. He is also connected but not connected with audio. So their attendance will not be marked. So absent numbers from Division B are roll number 1, 3, 6, 8, 9, 17, 23, 27, 30, 32, 36, 37, 38, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 46, 48, 52, 53, 58, 60, 63, 65, 66, and 69. If anyone is here, then you just let me know. Okay, so in next session, can we choose topics from remaining? Out of those 5, we'll choose 1. So now there are 4. Okay, we have done with government school, private school. We'll choose the remaining 4, and out of that 4, 1 will be given next time. Will it be okay? So just reply me with yes or no. So here we done. All should be vegetarian. Plastic should be banned or should not be banned. There should be no homework or should be homework. Nuclear weapons should be or should not be. All right. So we'll do 1 out of these 4 next time. So with this, we'll stop here. I will end this meeting from my side.
Sir, tell now only which topic we have to take.
We have to, Shraddha.
Hello, sir.
Next time we have to take 1 topic, then tell now only which we have to do.
Okay, only 1
Yes,
topic should
sir.
be given, and that will be discussed.
Yes.
Okay. So in that case, take one first topic, nuclear weapons should be banned across the globe. Okay. So here suggestion is also from Shubham, money versus time versus money. That also people can just try to find out here. So a kind of insight you people can read. Okay. But next time we'll do definitely this one only. Nuclear weapons should be banned. So try to study origin of nuclear weapons, its purpose, use, advantages, disadvantages, presently, or you can give references of Cold War between 2 nations like America, Russia. These days, what happens with China, even in case of India also, where India exactly. So maybe you can try to come with some use of these weapons for terrorisms, and I think that imperialism, the concept you should be very clear with imperialisms these days, how that every nation is trying to grab the land of other nation, the problems of boundaries of the nations. So you just try to collect few examples of this also. Okay, yes, Shraddha is also suggesting the topic like this, television, boon or ban, something like this. That is also what people can do. But next time only 1 topic. Okay. nuclear topic, nuclear weapons will be the final topic that we people will be doing next time. All of you prepare for this. Additionally, that is not sufficient. Discussing only one topic in 1 hour is not sufficient. Last time I have told you, you come with some other preparations also. And here I can see other people see learn something. Here I can see that many students are trying to speak. They are not clearly speaking, or they are not exactly speaking, but still they are trying, so others also can learn from them.
Sir, in this subject, how it could be two groups against each other?
Here one group will be in support of nuclear weapons, creation or use of nuclear weapons. Another group will be saying like this, that use of nuclear weapons is how it is harmful for mankind, humans, and what are the disadvantages of nuclear weapons, like this. Or we can go for discussion GD. Then if in that case, if number of students are not ready to talk about from both sides, in that case we'll keep it for GD.
Sir, it should be from only one side, na? If you...
Yes, means majority of you will be support that should not be used or should be banned from that point of view. But there might be another opinion, na, that if it is banned, then what will happen? Suppose tomorrow all we people or India decided that nuclear weapons will be banned. So what will be the condition of India tomorrow? There are no weapons with India.
Then China attack on India.
So another side is there. You try to understand from other side.
Terrorist organization will grow.
Okay, so you study it very well. Pros and cons, both things. So if there are weapons, then in that case, what is possible? If there are not weapons, in that case, what happens? Good uses of nuclear weapons, bad uses of nuclear weapons. You can give examples of Hiroshima, Nagasaki, all those things. Means I should not discuss all the things here only. You just try to come with some preparation. Okay, should we end here? Should we stop here?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine. So thank you for joining today, and do join for next session also. So with this note, I'll end this meeting for all.